Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds REDMI Buds 6 Pro on your iPhone. So basically we have a few options how to check it. We can create a widget or we can use an application. Let's get started by create a widget. To create it you need to press and hold that empty space. Then click Editor Plus at the left top and Add Widget. Scroll down and you need to find batteries. Right here we have it, but also you can use a search. You can write batteries here and tap on them. Now here's 3 presets. You need to select the best one for you and click Add Widget. And you can check a battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your earbuds is turned on and connected to your phone. The second option, maybe is a better one, is to use an application. You need to open Xiaomi Earbuds application and of course you need to add these earbuds to the app. Right here we have a battery percentages for the left and right earbuds, not generally like this way. Also right here in the application we can check it for the charging case. So you need to put one of your earbuds or both of your earbuds to the charging case, and then you can check battery percentages for your charging case. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.